In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Arzopa portable monitor to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using your Arzopa portable monitor with any model of MacBook is extremely simple. This will work for the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and any other model available. So, to establish this connection, there are going to be multiple methods. The simplest way by far is using a standard USB-C to USB-C cable. The reason why this is the best method is because this is the only cable that you need. It will be enough to provide the image and also power. So plug one end of the cable into the Arzopa monitor. There are going to be multiple USB-C ports here, and the other end goes into any of the available ports on your MacBook. Sorry, I provided the wrong screenshot here, but of course you can look at the side of the MacBook and you will find the USB-C ports available. Now, if for whatever reason this doesn't work, you don't have an available USB-C port, then what you will have to do is connect it using an HDMI cable. So one end of this cable here, HDMI to mini HDMI, goes into the Arzopa monitor. You can see the port here. And the other end goes into your MacBook. If your MacBook doesn't have an HDMI port on the side, then you will most likely have to use an adapter, something like USB-C to HDMI. So you need to find a way to have an HDMI port available on your MacBook, and you establish a connection like this. For this method, you also need to provide it with power, so you can plug the USB-A to USB-C cable into an external power supply, such as a power brick, a power bank, and so on, or you can try plugging it directly into the MacBook. So it is going to have the mini HDMI to HDMI cable plugged in alongside the USB-C to USB-A. This is needed because it is going to be providing power for the monitor to function. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.